So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to this screen. So to get to this screen, for the first way to do that, you want to click on the Windows Start icon, then you want to click on the power button, and you want to hold Shift and then click on Restart. Now as the computer is restarting, you want to keep on holding Shift, which will then take you to this screen. Now the second way to get into this screen is you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on. You want to do this 3 times. Every single time that you see this on your screen right now, the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer. Now once you've done that 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. You want to turn off your computer using the power button on your case. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options, and then click on Command Prompt. Now once you're on this, there's a bunch of commands that we're going to have to type in. I left them all down below in the description. So for the first one, we're going to type in C:, click on Enter. Then we're going to type in bcd edit space / export space C:, /bcd backup, and click on Enter. Now we're going to type in ren space C:, /boot / bcd space bcd.old, and click on Enter. Now we're going to type in bootrec space rebuild bcd, and click on Enter. Now we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r, and click on Enter. And then you want to type in y and then click on Enter again. Now once you've run that, you want to type in sfc space /scannow, and then click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan as well. Now once the scan's also been completed, you want to close this out, and then you want to go back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.